Hi there, good morning. Welcome to my blog. This is Sima Discarding Born. So for today's blog, gentlemen, we're going to tackle the operation of the Voyage data recorder VR3016 as what is shown right now in my screen. Okay, so before that, why do we have to learn on how to extract this data? The reason why is because in case there's an incident or accident that happens on board, whether collision, grounding, fire, abandoned ship, or flooding, or anything that was happened during navigation, or even the communications that was done here in the bridge or navigational bridge, then everything will be recorded. It's like the knob box, or what they call the black box of the airplane. Okay, it is like the black box of an airplane. So for ships or vessels, it is what we call the VDR, or the voyage data recorder. Okay, so for this blog, the brand is Furuno, and this remote alarm panel is VR3016. Okay, it is Furuno VR3016. So what we have to do in case there is an emergency, okay, we have to press the this save button that is shown right here. Okay, now how many times do we have to save the press the save? We have to press save only up to maximum of 4 times. Okay, why 4 times? Is it because it is indicated 4 on the screen? No, this 4 indicates that the error code it is showing it is in normal operation as shown right here, and for 3 it's shown means number of exiting recording area in the HDD is shown at the start up or when recognizing HDD. So 2 and 1, there is also a meaning of that. With that, you have to refer to the manual right here with the error codes, okay, such as 186, 214, 218, and so on and so forth. Okay, whatever the codes that will be shown right here will indicate the description. For example, for 186, it's look, the data cannot be recorded. All right. So going back again on why do we have to press 4 times, okay? In case an incident happens, whether we want it or not, other ships or some scenarios in real life, it really happens, like collision or grounding, okay? So with that, we have to press save 4 times, maximum of 4, because the HDD, okay, if you press the save button, the current memory area in the HDD stops recording and another area starts recording. Okay, if an incident occurs, press this button immediately, and if another incident occurs, press this save button again. The memory in the backup HDD is divided into 4 areas. That is why maximum you can press only up to 4. When you press the save button, the number of recording area in the HDD is reduced by 1. After saving is completed, the buzzer sounds for intermittently for 10 seconds. However, if an alarm is violated during the saving, alarm buzzer has priority. Okay? So in the HDD, gentlemen, there are 4 areas. So you can only press this save button for 4. Okay? The other button is to acknowledge the alarm, and for this one is the dimmer. Okay? And for this test button, it's the LCD test only. Okay? If you press, okay, LCD test. So whenever there's an incident involving the vessel, it is the responsibility of the master to save VDR data. Okay, it's not the OWs. However, the VDR should only be stopped about 4 hours after the incident. Okay, 4 hours after the incident. Why? Because your HDD can save actually of up to 12 hours. So if there's nothing happened within 12 hours, it will be reboot or loop automatically or written over with the newest or newer data. Okay, so By pressing the save button on this remote alarm panel, the yellow LED starts blinking, showing that recording is being terminated. Okay, wait until the LED lights steadily. If the LED does not light, press the save button consecutively until the LED lights. Okay, so what you have to do at the back of the bridge, wherein you can find the HDD, you have to pull the knob on the HDD holder to open the holder, disconnect the cable, and then you can remove the HDD. If there is time for you to take out the HDD, if there's not, then you will just have to remove the DRU instead. Okay, or that beacon that is placed in the compass deck will automatically release instead. So it is also capable of being released hydrostatically. Okay, so with that, we'll show you on how to remove the HDD from the back of the bridge. So in continuation with my blog, okay, by the way, this is the Voyage Data Recorder VR3000, the DCU, the one that I'm talking about, the data collecting unit, where you can find the HDD. So here is the HDD. Okay, there's a knob. So first you have to take out the knob. After that, you can pull the cable, remove the cable, and then you can take out the HDD. As simple as that. There's no need for you to actually switch it off. Okay, you can switch it off if you are going to replace the HDD itself, but in case of emergency, just pull the knob, take out the take out the cable, and then you can remove the HDD. Okay, in case you cannot take out the HDD since you've lost the key, you can just remove this VDR beacon if there is time for you to be able to remove it. Okay, so this is the VDR beacon, and you have here the beacon itself. So first you just have to remove this. Okay, remove the straps and then pull out this cable, and then you can just bring it with you. Okay, so just in case of emergency, you can just remove this VDR beacon. Okay, so this is the data recording unit. Okay, so that's how you do it, gentlemen. So I hope you learned a lot with Voyage data recording, on how to extract the data, how to save the data by pressing the save button, how to remove the HDD from the data recording unit or the DRU, and on how to remove or release the capsule that is on your compass deck from the VDR beacon. Okay, so you just have to remove the straps and pull out the cable. So this is Master Mariner hacks, just in case there's an incident. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you very much. Please like, follow, and subscribe to my channel, Sima Discarding Bjorn.